if indeed there were prophets, and there are prophets in this country, yeah, and can say so, obitimi who no can pain, what's in the pain, obiahu. Mami no kwa ye ukuyada. Ya wada netim. Etina owo banku na prophet wo krom ha, e na mojefa. Ada mo yakufa do. De enye nko na mpe. Menka say ye ntimi nya komhyeni papa wo. But say mere ya ye wo mi die, aye try and error. And when baby aye dura say oman as say ye timi tena se ye te ye ho asese. Nyame on be ye hwe ma ye mbiom. Yes. God is not coming to do anything for us ever again on earth. It is a way a Christian in our Ghana. Now we try to suffer for people on Payansa. What do you hear, Juma? What?
I was saying Captain Smart video we have a someone so one Ghana so for any so for titi one a friend one say one year different no wo machi yi pa ya wo chese di ni bia eni wo man Ghana mu nabusia wo bo asofo mpenifo bi se sofo usu bempa afi salifo mu akomu nyina edi ni asofo bia ekeka ho a wo chese se BBC e wo man Ghana mu ade ni besia ye ni kan emeka na ade na si awie no na afi wo se asofo na yi omuti e na we se me mko kan we se me mko kan eno nam so ama Captain abona adwene e de ama asofo na wa condemn mu nyina e chese se epedifo pade a wo man Ghana ebinim so much GH eno ni guso a wo hwe mesre so we subscribe button no say I saw the bell on the account send e na upload ni to pe when the first person ya obidi kan ahye abusuya me nkote send the Captain kan some ne ba e be de atwe nkom
because there are no prophets anymore. Me wofa me so for usubempa we hear me den me wofa no say usubempa didi matem o kana adwen kire me a men so we be third person because me tiri usubempa o ye me usubempa ena usubempa so kum say me wofa se ne me complete it is Oba be fie na me wo fa kana dwen kire me na we wa dwen so obeso so obe third person because we nya busuani. But I still maintain say if indeed there were prophets and there are prophets in this country, yeah, and can say so obitimi hu no can pain what's in the pain obiahu mami no kwa ye ukuyada. Ya wada netim. I think there was a sort of post videos and penny be a titru I didn't know owo banku na prophet e wo krom ha and amojefa ada mo yakufa do the enye nko na mpe. I don't want to talk about you guys. Me makasa so for be a mistake. To say back could be the offense. Sakwa no can say bebum 239 2020 no. The offense. The anybody ka kuku ni pa no.
I Salifa Amoako.
I really no catch him say Kojo enyen come share. Let me papa na some I love him. Look, I love him. I respect that man. But I had that I say I didn't pay you more you the jinan chain. You the personality so jinan chain. So for Salifa Amoako, he's one of the people I respect. And I love him. On one kasanim. And see, in the heat of this matter, this I know. Let me delete you a hospital. I will UGMC. Said the bayan about Hobetono. Ask him. Because I love him as a person. But then come no chef and hono na ebola. We so jagu no so say bra caution and your prophecy. Nam say better. Yen to our father. Imi ayo no so. Tititia. Menka say ye ntimi nya komhyeni papa wo but say mere ya ye wo mi die aye try and error
o kan e fa na fa
and a Christopher ye wo Ghana hanmo say ye ne mbie sam mere ya ye wo mi ya me wonwa da ye ni bebie odo first no na ye ni asofo a wo sua de kwa chiri eti honhom ne kan di pana no na ya fa no. But Mia Brody Yamiche, he's a professor.
Oh, okay.
Brody Yamiche is smart, he's intelligent, he's a super guy. Software were very sharp, smart, intelligent. Bodi Yamiche, if he's not number one, he will be second to none. He's a professor. It is our Bodi Yamiche as one when he excuse my French. Excuse my French. Like I said, no, I say, Yama got to lose Ukura, Yadia Chow. Because look at Bodi Yamiche, he's a professor. Share, yeah, Papa means all tabio. Before and clutch for the kind Bible Bechimono. That means all tabio, 20 boise, it made the board marker, Caho, and was sorry them, extra sadie. Nyamesum Christo sum papa etie. It is all ICGC. Body Yamiche make us chapel more. Uko ICGC. Now what do you anya juma? Bra, I'm being honest. What do you anya juma bi omu? What do you not to nchen Palace Adnasari, the dome. Paris Chapel. Any young papa ya wo Sam Kwanchanka, sorry. Who was also here? Who many are so full when betting at what Lassie? Now, what can Bible? No, I can't answer. No, I can't dear. No, I show us a sad dear number one besides here. It is our call. Sounds on the way. That's still a watching here, Juma. I am Mama. So the share Pentecost in here, or yes, and come and do so what in here, Juma. Because who call Pentecost partners are what the team on Piobasia? Let's just say, Sabio Nyado, what dream of him? Because 2 years change, Yamida Yamau. No, everyone out there, no, every put down your so below your smuja. Again in Yajuma. And when baby I hear Dura, say, oh my. As I say, it's me tenacity at tea, who wants to say. Yes, Mafia, God is not coming to do anything for us ever again on earth. Because one, yes, you can say it is finished, and we don't change. We are talking or the Uyape Amaye. Why the quarter about John Mama? Me, I'm Kotoye, one I'm Kotoye. But so I'm off never to Abama Mama.
Okay.
2016. Never near Bria Miki Kema Kufado, but Yakupon some die. That was my choice. And see, Bible na kosi asiri no. As yes to one if your Bible no can say, yes, we no can say, search the scriptures. The real say Bible is the scripture. It's a lie. When Jesus said, search the scriptures, there was no Genesis. No, there was no Matthew. There was no John. There was no Luke. There was no 1 Timothy. There was no 2 Timothy. Jesus died and ascended to heaven before the New Testament came. So when Jesus said, search the scriptures, now, which one was Jesus referring to? Which one? He was referring to Genesis to Malachi. Finito. Asa. It's a room where Paul Cracker said, my gospel. Paul referred to a certain portion of his writings as mine. It means that Peter did not tell him anything. John did not tell him anything. Nobody told him anything. He did not read it from anywhere. It is his perception, his understanding, his focus, his mission, his vision, his perception about it. It is a way a Christian in our Ghana. Now we try to solve for people on Payansa. What do you hear, Juma? And you're number one. And now the guy say, could go dear, do what number two, so we try to say, you'll be the show come. And so when you answer, say, it's a song called Jomuntam, and you can call Banadan or Pampai Bo. Now, about 11 as one could Jomu, Wabranko, Fabedi Jeria. What do you mean? So what we need to do, and we need to understand God. Yantinya me say. And yama so for the business. Ebi no kwhwe CNN. No wa be share Palestine Israel come. Ebi no kwhwe ABC. No wa be catch the Donald Trump person here in the next 2 years. Because who nisika wo de koto DSTV no makoye see na ABC won hwe da won te da wa phone kura ye yam enti wuti ya na wo di mirika na wo di akiri ya dru ba bia sese ni party asese sese ya to se togo betutu to Ghana be retaliate enye komhye me to sese ya no be me bia bo ewura studio ha no wa so be papa afia tagwa asum na me se menya code nti me hwade so ombo afia we enye komhye me hu osunsun wi asese nyame be hyirawo enye komhye me hwe sunsun wi asese se wo be din ye pa. That is why I say that ye a Christopher no yenti ye ho asese ye nhira eni obi anum.
Entebusia Captain Smart and then some more kind and only aquacutia bana way na Ghana for HS Captain Smart as a or ya nyachum. If you say and pen baby na Captain about tabetry say so form or quarter or a spiritual father. After was Simon Rojah quite one better than TV station so a down come shape be the near day in added to more no cry to say some commission or macano. A idea would him did that ama so for bit is a high life class so Ashan and complaint to say so for bit is Michelle will come out to Mudia. Now and no found and no year commission as a coffee ye would the what you say, software be and I say, Dini be any what dear. Now a camera said, war ye aye nyachum. A be most one more dress, ye were gana ha, and I ye did directly be a bar said, Mamma ye shall come a moody, did soon say a year will come shall near the better months so near body say, Cobana Sacrana, a year needs me the who near dear between the panos on impo, the bush house to meet me, said, no so can who be, and the master software who and commission and I said, yes, some no, that's a you won't effort to be one, and my own maquine, now one more moody, no more the better wa. Omo fedi bia enka hono we ene sene Ghana fo si kire wo madwene edifa ensemi hu mesese won so obeja wo de e wo comment section ho edi amami all the social media handles so ko wa too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na afofo so enye bia hwemidin edi dark gold macro.